if you want to turn on or turn off your eye tracking on iPhone 16e. So first of all, open up your settings. Now we have to open up our accessibility tab. After that, we gotta find our eye tracking option. There it is. And we're gonna enable the switch near it. Now we have to calibrate the eye tracking by following the dot with our eyes. So follow it with your eyes. The whole tracking process takes up to 20 seconds, I believe, right? So it's not much. All right, nice, we got it. And now, as you see, the phone tracks my eyes. And for example, we can turn it off, right? We can turn it off by simply using eyes. So focus your eyes there. Hold them still. It's quite an experimental feature and it might not work 100% correctly. And also I have my camera here, so that's why the whole tracking process may be a bit complicated than usual. However, let's try and do that. All right, I'll help myself a little bit. All right, so let's just press yes. So basically, that's how it works. It's quite weird. It's very experimental, but it's very cool that your phone has it. So basically, try to recalibrate it if it's not working correctly, like mine just did. And eventually, you'll find the right spot for it. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.